Okay, we are dressing a mini crowbar. The tippy over here is flattened. It's got a bit of a burr on it. Can damage yourself and whatever work surface you're working on. So we're going to dress it, dip it in cooling liquid so it doesn't get too hot and doesn't damage anything. So here we go. Finger here for support, and off you go. Take it right over the wheel, because we do not want to create a hollow. We're going to dip this into the cooling liquid and continue going until it's all nice and dressed. Start again. Remember to dip in between. Almost done.